Welcome back, everyone. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So we are working on this flower material, and it's a top that we are using it for. So please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, watch my video down to the end, and share it for others to see. Comment, and let's get started now. I will be folding my fabric. I'm going to fold it in 4 pieces. So this is the first piece and this is the second one, making it 4. So what we are cutting is top, and this I'm going to fold this, as you can see. So I've finished folding it now. So the next step now is to take our length. So I'll go ahead now to take my length. So my length, that is starting from the upper side, my length is 25.5 inches. 25.5 inches is what we are using. So that is it. So after that now, I'll go ahead now to measure from my shoulder to my chest line 8.5 inches, like this. 8.5 inches. Then I will use my ruler to rule it. That is my curve ruler to do that. So that is it now. So we have gotten our chest line. I'm marking it so that it will show, because the chalk and the material is almost the same color. So that is it. So for the neckline, I'll go ahead now to measure 3 inches. No, let me not make it 3 inches. I'll go ahead now to measure it by 5 inches. I want it to fall like canoe neck. 5 inches. I'm bringing it down by 3 inches. So that's my 3 inches. Then I will use my hand like this to curve it like this. It's a round neck. So for the back neckline, I will place my tape to mark 1.5 inches. The back will be a bit up. So 1.5 inches is what I mark at the back. So that is it for the neck of the back. So the next step is to measure my shoulder. My shoulder is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2, that will give us 8 inches. So that is my 8 inches for my shoulder. And then I will roll it like this. So that is it. I hope you are following up. So that is it. So after that now, I will be marking the bust. So we are working on the bust now. So my bust is 42. So 42 divided by 4, that will give us 10.5 inches. And then add 2 inches on it for the sewing allowance. And then I will place my tape on my chest line and mark 2 inches to get my armhole curve. And then I will also use my ruler to curve it. So that is it now for the armhole curve. So after that, I will go ahead now to mark for my waist. My waist is, because it's a top, doesn't have zip, so we'll make it to be free. My waist here is 42 and 14 inches, please. That is divided by 4 to give us 10 inches. And then add my sewing allowance and adding up to 2 inches also for the sewing allowance. So we have gotten our measurement now. So I've now sloped my shoulder. I'll go ahead now to slope my shoulder by ½ inch. And then also using my ruler to curve it like this. That is to slope it. So that is it. So now I will be connecting the measurement together now from my bust connect it like this. So that is to connect it down. So that is it. Also, to curve it at the down parts a bit by 1 inch. So that is for the down part. And then I'll use my roller to curve it like this. So I've gotten my measurement now. Now is to cut. So I will cut from my neckline side. I will cut from the back side, the upper side first. So I hope you understand what we are doing here now. And please, if you don't understand, please watch this video again and also watch it down to the end. Comment and share it for others to see. And also, please, if you have not subscribed, please do that. Subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, please. And also comment. So for the comment session, I will see your comment and I will read it. So this is it. I've cut it. No, that is the back neckline. So as for my front neckline, I will just pull out this back side of it, then cut the front neck. And that is what I'm doing here. So this is my front neck now. So I'll cut it like this. So we've gotten our front neck and we have cut the body. So the next step now is to go and join it now. So I'll be joining it. Now I want to join the body part now. So I will be taking the measurement. Now we are going to divide it by 2, not into 4. So when joining together, that your material, if you want to join it together, is by 2. Now that you now divide it, not into 4. So our bust is 42 and this is 42. So what we have here, 1, 2, 3. That means we have 1.5 inches. I will mark at this side of it. Coming to the other side, 1.5 inches. So to the waist is 14 inches. This is my 14 inches. So the one that remains, we'll count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I will mark from this side 2 inches. I'm coming to the other side 2 inches. So then we'll connect the lines together. So I will marking from the bust side now and connect it like this to the bust, to the waist. From the waist, from this bust to the waist this side. So that is it now. So I will now go and join the front and the back together now. So let me do that. I'm going to join the body part now and iron it out. So the next step now is to cut our sleeve now. So now we'll be cutting my sleeve. I've folded it in 2 pieces now. And I'll go ahead now to take my length. The length that I'm having here is 7 inches. So this is my 7 inches. And then marking 1.5 inch for the armhole curve. I'll curve it like this. I will also use all what I folded here, that is 8.5 inches, to make the round sleeve, and it will have a gathers that will make up the length. So I will also cut that. So let me cut the sleeve now. The armhole is 1.5 inches that I use, while the body part is 8.5 inches that I want to use, because I want it to be gathered at the down part. So this is the sleeve. So let me cut the one that will extend to the length and it's a gather sleeve. This is the one that we'll use and extend. So what we have here is 6 inches. and what we are using to gather it is 27 inches. So I will just open the other side of it so that we'll go and run it on the machine and gather it. I will also bring it out for us to gather, and then we fix it to the upper side of the slate that we cut earlier. So this is it now. So let me go and run it on the machine now. I'm going to run it now. So let me gather it now. So you just to drag the thread a bit so that it will gather, and after that now you just take it and face on the main sleeve, so you can see the way I'm gathering it now. So this is how you are going to do your own when making your own. So this is it. So let me put it and show you how it has formed. So this is our gathers now. So I will now bring the main sleeve. So this is the main sleeve now. Can you see it now? So this is how it should be by the time fix it now. So this is it. These are the two sleeves now. So let me fix it on the body of the top now. Top is ready to wear out now. So you can see the sleeve, the gather sleeve, and the body all came out good. So this is how we achieve our top for today. So please subscribe for my channel if you have not done that, and watch my video down to the end. Comment, share it for others to see so that they too can watch my video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.